Hi guys, welcome to Mbali Talks. In today's video, I want to share with you a free money app which I recently discovered. This app is actually quite new, but it's still one of those apps that are actually going to help you to make a bit of extra money online. Of course, if you combine it with many others. The other day, somebody actually said that these small free money watching apps are not very sustainable. People need more ways to make money. Guys, there's a lot of videos on Mbali Talks that you guys can check out that talk about either how you can start a side hustle, the kind of side hustles that you can start, and also that shares remote job opportunities of companies that are actually hiring for stable jobs, for part-time jobs, for real jobs. However, with that said, you do find that some people make a lot of money from having different accounts and or many accounts on a lot of these free money apps, which is why I feel like as much as we talk about how you can actually make money online, some of these apps are actually easy for you to run, especially when you're at work, especially if you have a full-time job and you feel like you don't have the time and or the effort for you to be able to start a side hustle and or to even get hired for a second job on the remote job opportunities that I often share. But should you feel like this is not the good fit for you, then that's no problem. Please go on Mbali Talks in the description box. There's so many other videos that you can watch that talk about remote job opportunities that can actually hire you on a more full-time basis so that you can make anything from 12 to say maybe $30 per hour. Anyway, without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. This new app that I actually discovered is called Pay Up. It is an earn money watching videos app that allows you to watch videos and make money using any device. So whether it's your laptop, your phone, Android, iPhone, etc. They say get paid for viewing short videos. This is the easiest way to make money. I can personally attest that based on my experience, I was able to make a lot of money in a very short space of time on this platform. And even though it's not a high amount of money, it's just you are able to make the money quicker than say maybe even on time bucks and or even on free cash. And the fact that you don't rely only on just taking surveys, it means that there's no screening that you need to go through before you can actually start making money. All you literally have to do is watch videos, which is just basically the proof that I'm going to show you guys as we continue with this video. So we're going to scroll down a bit on their website so that we can read some of the benefits that they offer you. They say here, this is safe and it is without investments, which means you will not pay any money to join this app. This is a free money app. They say they also offer additional income in USD, which is basically the money that they're going to pay you for watching the short videos. They also say take advantage of new sources of income. Clearly, this is something new on their platform, which I think based on experience, we're all going to experience it together because this is also day one of me just using the app. But after using the app for like 5 minutes, I thought, you know what, let me just stop right there, come back onto this platform, which is called Mbali Talks, and actually create this video so that we can all experience Pay Up at the same time. Another benefit of Pay Up is the fact that it doesn't require much time. Literally, the videos are 10 to 20 seconds each, and then you get paid immediately. Like you guys are going to see the process. I'm going to take you through it to see how instantaneous it is that you actually get paid. And also, their platform is user-friendly and is an intuitive interface. If you become a long user of the platform, there's many other ways that you can actually earn. They say with each new level, the income increases by 0.01%. I'm going to show you guys what level I'm actually on after just 2 or 5 minutes on the platform. And after reaching the maximum 1000 level, you will earn times 2, which means whatever money that is being promised to you for watching a particular video for 10 seconds will actually double than what you're actually getting right now, or rather what I'm actually getting right now because I'm a first time and also my level is still very low. So basically a new level will be given for watching videos, referring new users to the system, as well as daily activity. Another way to make money on Pay Up is for you to take part in contests. They regularly hold contests with valuable prizes for our users. I did see one contest currently on the app after I just registered, but of course, since I'm still just trying to figure out the website, I thought to myself, I can't then be joining contests. I actually just need to figure out if I'm actually going to make the money and also wait for the period that I actually get paid, because of course, like all other free money apps, there is a particular threshold that you need to reach before you can actually withdraw. As mentioned, this is quite a new app because as you can see, they've only worked 119 days and yet they already have over 500,000 registered users and they've already paid out about 42,000 USD. So it's quite a small and it's quite a new website that you can use for you to make money. And I feel like it's right now that you need to take advantage of it, because at some point you do find that maybe the money that they're willing to pay for you to watch a video reduces because there's now way too many users. But I'm definitely looking forward to making a bit of Pay Up money before that can actually happen. Now we're going to look at some of the frequently asked questions so that we can also gain a bit more understanding if maybe you've not really been able to understand what I've been saying so far. They say, what should I do to earn money? They say here you will earn money watching short videos from YouTube. Watching is powered by the official player that works on any device. How much can I earn? Earnings depend directly on the base payment for the video, its duration, and your current account level. Again, a lot of these videos are literally 10 to 20 seconds, and then they have different amounts that they're willing to pay you for either a 10-second video or a 20-second video. Also, as you continue moving up the levels, as what we read up above, you are going to start getting a bit more money for the same amount of time. How many videos can I watch? We try not to limit the number of videos. On average, 500 videos are available to a user per day. Currently on my account, I saw that they were offering 900 videos, and I've only been able to do, I think, about 5 of them, but I'm going to show you how much money I've already made just from watching the 5. And the money literally keeps growing in your account as the 10 seconds and the 20 seconds of the video actually elapses. You can see it on your wallet. You guys are going to see it on my wallet just now. So this is currently my dashboard, and this is the amount of money that I've literally made in 2 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, because again, the videos are literally 10 seconds and or 20 seconds. It says that I'm already on level 3 because of the activity that I've actually been doing for the past 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see here on your dashboard, there's then YouTube, and then there's referrals, there's payouts, etc. To start earning on PayUp, all you have to do is just to click the Start Earning tab here, which is going to take you onto this new page under the YouTube tab, where you're going to see a lot of the videos that are lined up here. This is saying I'm going to watch this video for 10 seconds, and this is the amount of money that I'm actually going to get paid. What I also like is the fact that the timer actually does count down for you, so you don't need to even time yourself on your phone. They are literally going to tell you that now your money is in your bank account, which is what I'm going to show you live now as we're going through this video. As I had mentioned earlier, there were 900 videos that are available to watch. Currently, there's 177 within the hour that I have access to, because they say you can watch up to 200 videos per hour and up to 900 per day per user. New videos appear every hour. The limit is reset at 21 hours GMT. And if you get to 9 p.m. at night and you're still awake, your videos basically renew, which means you can start watching your next 900 batch of videos in the same day that you completed your other one, should you be able to actually complete. Now, I'm going to show you how you're actually going to earn money. So we're going to click this view button here. So the video basically looks like this. They say here, start the video and wait when the timer is over. It's many different videos based in a lot of languages. It's really videos that you don't even really have to focus on. You just need to make sure that you watch it for as long as the timer is going, and then allow the timer to process, which you are then going to see the money that you're going to earn. So let's go. I'm going to click pay. See, the timer is counting down here. I have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and then it starts processing my money, and I've already gotten this amount of money in my account balance. We're going to go back into my account. It says task completed, and then it quickly updates my balance here to show that the money has now been counted as money that I've actually made. We're going to try and watch another video so that you guys can properly see this process. So number 1, this is the video. This is the amount of money you're going to get paid. We're going to click view. It goes all the way to YouTube. The timer is already there waiting for us. It's just that the video is a bit slow in processing. The video is ready now. We click play, and then the timer starts counting down. It counts down all the way to 1, and then it starts processing, and then you're going to see how much money you're actually going to get paid. In fact, you already know the money that you're going to get paid, but I like the fact that they actually reflected here to say that you've already made this money. You come back this side, your task is completed, your balance updates. That's basically how you're going to keep making money. That's all you have to do. Some of the videos are 20 seconds, like I mentioned, but a lot of them so far that I've actually done are 10 seconds, and the amount of money that you get paid actually depends on the amount of time that you're going to spend watching the video. I want us to look at the payout systems. So currently, these are the ways that you can actually get paid on a platform like PayUp. You can use Payee, you can use Advocash, you can use Tron TRX, as well as Dogecoin. I do know that these two, the Dogecoin as well as Tron TRX, are actually Bitcoin platforms. So if you're somebody who's trying to create Bitcoin online for yourself and you don't necessarily want to deposit your own money in order for you to be able to invest in Bitcoin, then you can use a lot of these free money apps just to create the money that you can then use to buy your Bitcoin so that you can invest in it. Otherwise, if you're like me, you're probably going to focus more on these two that are obviously in cash. I have already tried to create a Payee account, which is very similar to a PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account or if you've ever tried to register one, this platform is exactly the same. And based on my research, you can transfer your money from Payee to PayPal. So you don't even have to worry about how am I going to then get my money because I only have a PayPal account. You can always transfer your money from Payee to your PayPal account in order for you to be able to obviously then transfer it to your own bank account. Those who actually do have PayPal know exactly what I'm talking about, so I know that they are not confused right now. And as you can see, each of these platforms have a minimum withdrawal amount. Literally, this is $1. So the time I make $1, I'm literally going to withdraw it into my Payee account so that I can transfer it to my PayPal account. But I just feel like this is one of the easiest and quickest apps that are going to pay you free money online just for you to be able to watch YouTube videos for 10 to 20 seconds. So it's definitely worth trying out. Even if it's something that you're just going to do during your lunch break. You guys know how you take lunch breaks and then go on things like TikTok or Instagram. So instead of using all your time on either TikTok or Instagram, you can just use half of that time to be on a platform like PayUp and even TimeBacks and even Free Cash at any given point in time in your day, even when you're at work, in order for you to make a bit of extra money, easy money, in fact, online. And again, guys, please remember, these platforms are not going to make us millionaires. However, if you have a lot of them and keep accumulating your balances, they do pay out in $2 and $3 and $5 and $10 even sometimes for some of these platforms, especially those that have service, because of course, service pay a bit more. This one does not have surveys. It's the easiest, quickest way for you to make money. And even though the money is small, I'm still going to want to come back here even tomorrow. In fact, I'm still going to continue after compiling this video to try and watch more videos so that obviously my balance can go up. So I just feel like this is one of the easiest websites for you to be able to make free cash on money without lifting a single finger. With that said, I've come to the end of the video and I'm going to see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.